Everyone wants to wear quickly very beautiful ready-made churidars, right? If I talk about in this busy world, everyone runs for behind like, let me take ready-made churidars. I just want to move to college. I just want to go to work. I just want to go outing. I just want to wear. In this, everyone is busy, especially if I talk about this generation. All the youngsters, college girls are looking for new trending varieties in the ready-made concept. So yes, my friends, today I'm talking about the ready-made churidar three-piece concepts of top, bottom and dupatta. So I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. All you know that today I'm going to show you only the digital printed churidar varieties, 500 range to 1500 collections. If you want to have your boutique on based on your investment, you want to have a shop, you want to have a showroom, for this boutique you can start for three-piece ready-made churidar. So these all kind of collections with multiple fabrics you can plan around. So these ready-made churidar varieties you can purchase. So let's see the varieties, only digital printed concept. Subscribe the channel, quickly do online purchase. You can visit to Doriwala Square building next to Mohan Sweets Kesaria Manufacturers. When you're purchasing, especially the ready-made women apparels, purchase with the right manufacturer. When I talk about Sri Lanka, Mauritius, Canada, US, Singapore, Malaysia, ready-made ethnic wears, either it is a churidars or Indo-Western, these type of collections should have a variety, should have a color chart, should have a sizes. This makes your business selling. And when you keep these collections, ensure you should have varieties with color charts, with sizes. So my friends, subscribe the channel, quickly add these varieties into your business. Let me show you, if I talk about the cotton fabric, which you have a two-tone shade. This is a pink with creamish color. You have a mild handwork pattern, the thread work. You have a very beautiful, pretty, this thread based, these collections also. You have a bottom and you have a dupatta in this variety. So covered floral, mini butta floral printed. This is the back end portion. This is the front portion with the regular. This is the bottom where you can see the elastic. This full sleeves you can see over here. I can talk about the mild work. If I talk about the mild, which is a beautiful covered matte look pattern. This is the pattern of this top bottom, and you can see the dupatta, which is digital concepts with the lotus floral printed. In this also you have a beautiful concepts of the color charts. If I talk about golden colors, if you need, some like golden colors, no matter all the skin tones, they wear all the color charts. This is a one more very pretty color. In this concepts you have a, on the line overcoating, they have given us some handwork pattern on the full sleeves, and you have a digital dupatta with the plain bottom. Very bold print, you can see the dupatta over here, the mustard and the kesar color combination. If I talk about the mild color, I do have a mild color with the floral printed, very pretty. I can see the beige, one of the beige light green and the bottle green. This is a money plant leaf pattern which is bold, and this is a sequence you can see here. The covered print of the entire top and bottom will be plain, and you have a two-tone of the sequence dupatta. The pretty color, which is a dark purple with a bold print, I can say, very pretty with the V-neck pattern over here. You have a wiring work, the creamish color. You have a chiffon dupatta, and you have a bold floral with the stylish and casual. Especially these collections for the parties and the casuals outing, these varieties are very pretty and demanded and the fast moving. You have a different margins on your boutique business. If I talk about the chocolate color, very one more different with a bottle green combination. Unique floral with the regular neck pattern. Every pattern you can see the tag over here. Either it is a L or M or XL, double XL, all it is mentioned over here. Next pattern, if I talk about the gown pattern, you can see the covered mini butta, only white, customized white embroidery. This pattern also you have. These all varieties, why I'm showing is only to have at your business. It's not necessary. When it is coming to business, you should have all mixed categories. This is a embroidery, this is a work, this is a matte golden matte traditional based dupatta, and bold print of one side, bottom side you have a print and the work. So this is one more pattern. Every pattern you have a kurti, you have a lining also in ready-made. No need to worry about the transparent, whether it gives or not. So every top you have a lining cloth inside. These all collections also you can see here, all kind of fabrics with varieties, and ensure you should have, if you're running your business or brand, you can have your tag also, your brand tag also. So that is what you can explore, you can reach your, make reach customers, how you can show visible and marketing activities on your business. So very most important, Surat, you know all very well, it is a textile river and the diamond place. You should visit once. And from Surat railway station, Kesaria's Doriwala is very just 3 minutes walkable distance. No need to take an auto or cab. No need to have a brokerage or communication. So if you're coming with third party, you can avoid it. If someone is calling here and there, avoid. Just come. Numbers are scrolling on the screen. Hope you enjoyed this digital printed three-piece varieties, ready-made. Quickly add into your business to make your customers happy, to have a huge profit. And the next video will meet. Keep supporting me. Let me know in the comments from which city you're watching the video and your location, your name. So keep supporting until then. Take care. Bye-bye.